Hi, Good Lifers. Want to talk to you about summer workshops. This is a really fun thing we do at Good Life that the parents and students love. They love it so much that a lot of schools across the country have changed the way they do summer to the way we do summer, and that's this. Instead of coming every week and feeling like no one gets a break from the regular school year, you come for 1 or 2 weeks in July. We call them summer workshops. And it's the second or third week. 1 week comes with your membership. A lot of students will take their instrument that they regularly take all year long, or they'll take something totally different. Like you can try media and typing and photography and coding and stuff like that. So one thing comes with your membership. You could take your instrument or any other instrument, and if you add, you enjoy the same discounts that you get throughout the year when you add more classes or something like that. So every week for 50 minutes allows us to accomplish really fun performances that you wouldn't normally be able to do during the regular year because we don't see them every day. So it's a month and a half of lesson time all packed into that single week in July. And a lot of people, like I said, take 2 weeks. So workshops happen from about 1 o'clock to 7 o'clock every day during those 2 weeks. And then camps happen in the mornings from 9 to 1. Camps are totally different. I'm going to make a separate video on that. But for workshops, we really are excited about the schedule being done. It's about to get to you now, and we're starting to pass them out. And you could sign up now to lock in a time that's fun for you and lock in an activity that your student would really, really love. So we hope to hear from you soon. Look for you on the schedule. And then also, if you have any questions, just respond to the emails that you get for reminder emails for the lessons, and you can dial 918-933-2567 as well, okay? Looking forward to seeing you for summer workshops. We're going to have a great year this year. Talk to you soon.